What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino, and first job of the day, setting up, getting everything ready, putting down my corner guards. So we showed up and there was notes on possible enzymes, so I did a walkthrough and definitely need to do an enzyme in the living room here, which I already did, and well, not all the way. Hit the stains. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the odor eliminator here. So hold on, phone's ringing. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Okay, as I was saying, waiting for him to do the vacuum through here. Aaron's doing the vacuum, and I'm working a little ahead of him right now, so did hit these spots to give it maximum dwell time, and then I'm gonna do a little deodorizer as soon as he's done vacuuming and start cleaning. We're gonna be using carpet details, and you know, everything's gonna come out looking beautiful. I think looks really bad now. They got mice living in here. We found some evidence of that. But stairs needed enzyme. Bedrooms are not that bad. Customer's on her way. And so we're getting started without her. Not sure what this is though. I'm gonna ask her when she gets here. Looks like it's color. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna ask her, and it's not hard like candle wax or anything. But I'm not gonna be able to guarantee that to be removed. And if I need to do any specialty stain remover, I try to steam it out if it's color. Kind of see a reddish hue to it, so maybe color, artificial color. And then I'm gonna have to charge for that. So, all right, stay tuned. So this is a move out, and move outs I do charge a little extra for vacuuming, because most of the time it needs to do a whole lot of vacuuming, a whole lot of picking up stuff. Takes a little longer to do move outs. Yeah. So if a customer calls you for a quote and they tell you, oh, you know, you're going around the furniture and stuff like that, so they kind of want to get a discount, just let them know that, you know, you're priced as a furnished place. Be more expensive for move-outs, and that usually stops the any conversation about that. This is a 4-gallon backpack sprayer that I'm got on right now. We got about 9 areas. I'd have to have 2 pump-up sprayers filled up, or stop and refill this pump-up sprayer, a 2-gallon one, or just have a 4-gallon. So these things are pretty big. The hardest part about these things is just getting them on your back, but from there on out, man, it's easy. Very easy. I always have a backpack sprayer for this. I don't care what the standard is in the industry. I've tried them all, and I like the backpack sprayer type. I'm putting down your pre-spray. And the good thing about the carpet details also is that it doesn't lose its potency at all, so you can fill it all the way up and use it throughout the day. If you got like 3 small jobs or something. So you can have it all pre-mixed before you show up to the jobs, which saves you a lot of time also. So you don't have to mix up your solution on every job. And if it's something that you need a little extra strength to, you can always either boost it or whatever you need to do. Unless you know the quality of carpet before you leave for the day, I never really fill it all the way up. I fill it about halfway up. So in case I go to a job to where I need a more aggressive high pH solution, I'm not wasting a whole bunch of carpet details or whatever I got in there. So, all right, I'm gonna finish spraying this. Aaron's pre-scrubbing upstairs. Stay tuned. All right, all done. Looks amazing. Look at that, guys. Actually, not even started yet. We just pre-sprayed, pre-scrubbed, and look at that already. The carpet detail works really good. So by the time we extract, it's gonna come out even better. And that's better, I think. So it took a while just to vacuum this thing. Cleaning part's easy. That's already looking like it's lighting up, so I'm not sure what that is, but I think it's gonna come clean. Alright, so it looks like that stain came out. We had to do a little bit of scrubbing on it and spot it again, but yeah, good to go. The rest of this is gonna be easy cleaning. all finished up. It's a wrap. Off to the next one. Yeah, carpet came out amazing. I love to see before and afters like that, you know? The customer, I know when she shows up, she's gonna be really surprised and really happy because that deposit, you know, gotta get that back. All right, we'll see you in the next one.